Hello, McAuliffe Manual families. This is Benjamin Marcial, your Dean of Culture. I'm here today to provide some guidance on our virtual school learning expectations. The following slides will explain the virtual expectations for your students. These expectations were explained during the opening days of orientation to your students. We highly recommend students have their camera on at all times. This will assist with developing community. This helps with accountability so we know our students are present and not elsewhere. And we just want to see our students, and it makes our situation of online learning a bit more normal. Please make sure your student remains muted unless discussing content. We need to help our teachers limit distractions that are out of their control. And our teachers have prepared so many lessons with the assistance of Desmos, and we need our students to engage every single day. Wear appropriate school clothing. School uniforms are not required for virtual learning. Please ensure your student is dressed as if they were leaving the house. Please make sure students are not wearing costumes, sunglasses, silly hats, or any article of clothing that will distract others as a joke. We will have Spirit Week in the future to provide opportunities for students to display their creativity in apparel. Sustain effort in all classes. Students are graded using the IB scale. Grades range from 0 to 8. Explain to your student the importance of their education. An example, you need the skills from the previous year to apply to this current year and moving forward. Your education is on a continuum. The skills you learn as a kid transform and develop into greater skills as you get older. Communicate needs. Utilize the chat in Zoom for individual needs. An example being a bathroom break. Your student can email teachers. They were taught this during their orientation week on how to send an email and proper email etiquette. Staff do have Jabber accounts that link their office numbers to their cell phones. Make sure you have all materials. This includes novels for 6th, 7th, and 8th grade. If your student does not have a novel, we do have copies at the school. Please just call us and we can coordinate a pickup. Pens, paper, pencils. Again, we have that here as well. If there's something you need support with, we can coordinate a pickup drop-off situation. Chromebooks, of course, because we are virtual. If you have any issues with a Chromebook or need to exchange for a new one, please reach out to the school. And 6th grade has an art packet that they should have picked up during tech pickup week. If you need that art packet as a 6th grade student, please contact the school and we will make arrangements. Parent Toolbox. Across DPS, students have logged into virtual class sessions at other schools. Please communicate with your student how that's not funny and it's a waste of their time. Is a challenge on TikTok. Unfortunately we've had a few students who have logged into other schools' Google Classrooms. I've talked to a few students about that behavior. They have been very receptive and understand that they are wasting time and we have better things to worry about. So please continue that conversation. Encourage students to utilize movement breaks to give their eyes and brains a few moments of off-screen time. We have movement breaks between every class as if they were transitioning, as if they were walking through the hallway. Please encourage them to not jump on their cell phones and to do other things. Thank you, Thunder families. I hope this video is supportive in your efforts of supporting us with this virtual learning experience. Thank you and take care, and we hope to hear from you soon.